Welcome to Extreme Cards, box break number 12. We are bringing you Contenders. As always, we want to thank you for participating in our box breaks. We are very excited because we are giving you more this time. Listen to this, folks. The very first pack that I bust open, the very first card that comes out, whoever has that team will win a bonus right off the bat. We purposely did not list 4 NHL teams: Columbus, Minnesota, Florida, and Dallas. So, whichever team I pull first, so the first card that comes out from that first pack will receive all the inserts from those 4 teams: Columbus, Minnesota, Florida, and Dallas. Here at Extreme Cards, we want to give you more for your money. So as a thank you, we will be giving you those 4 teams. One lucky person will win it. Tino, Contenders, I am excited. Last week was a phenomenal box. Hopefully this week will be just as good, if not better.
Even better.
What do we expect here, Tino?
Basically, we have 24 packs, about 5 cards per pack. We should be pulling at least 4 autographs and a lot of inserts. So, good luck to all.
Yes.
Our winner will be the first base card on the top of the 4 teams.
Okay, we got all our packs here. We are set. I am excited. Kiss the first pack for me. Alright, I'll do that for you. Alright, there you go. First pack, the first card that I pull from this pack, remember, will be receiving Columbus, Minnesota, Florida, and Dallas as a thank you for participating in our break. And the first card is Pecorini Nashville Predators.
So that belongs to Jasper. Jasper will receive a total of 5 teams, including his Nashville Predators.
So, yeah, he'll be receiving the inserts from the 5 teams as a bonus. Florida, David Booth. Next card, Blue Jackets, Mathieu Garon. We have an extreme filler. I just lost Game 7, Vincent Le Cavalier. And will this guy return with a bang next year? Base of Sidney Crosby. Right? Pack number 2. Right, we're waiting on several autos. Duncan Keith, Chicago Blackhawks.
Beware of Bear.
Tim Thomas. We have a playoff ticket for Carolina Hurricanes, numbered out of 100. 15 of 100, Cam Ward. Right, so numbered 15 of 100. I don't know if you can see the numbers, but Cam Ward, 15 of 100, playoff ticket. We carry on. Another person that got eliminated last night, Dwayne Rollison. I don't think he's feeling very good today. And Nicholas Backstrom, the Wild, base card.
Probably has a hangover right now.
Alright, pack number 3. Ryan Smith, Los Angeles Kings. Pavel Datsyuk, Detroit Red Wings. And we have a purple parallel coming up. Perennial contenders for the Philadelphia Flyers. He might not start the year with the team because of back surgery. Chris Pronger. Purple parallel. And it is numbered 22 of 100. Chris Pronger. Purple parallel, perennial contenders, numbered out of 100. We carry on with Mihail Grabovski.
Former Hab.
Former Canadians. And Joe Pavelski. Next pack. Okay, season ticket. Very nice cards, by the way. Daniel Alfredson. Very nice designs. Matthew Lombardi, Predators base. Against the glass, Nashville Predators, and the beauty of this card, it's printed on acetate.
Clear acetate.
That's right. Against the glass, Shea Weber, Nashville. An extreme filler. Mr. Bergforce, Panthers, and a pack ends with John Carlson. Could have been a flyer. I believe we got Steve
Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Yeah, didn't happen. Next pack. Okay, we have Brandon Dubinsky, New York Rangers. Danny Heatley, San Jose Sharks. Jason Spezza, Ottawa Senators. Jerome Iginla, Calgary Flames. Mr. MVP, Tino?
Corey Perry.
You think he'll win it?
Most probably. Based on the regular season,
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
Mr. Perry
phenomenal year.
deserves it.
Alright, we continue. Pittsburgh Penguins, Brent Johnson.
Mr. HBO.
Oh, that's right. Mr. Well-liked in the league, Sean Avery. I was being sarcastic. Tino, you announce the next one.
Number 13, Michael Camilleri. Montreal Canadiens.
And then I usually let Tino announce all his Canadians and ex-Habs, a filler. Ville Leno and Ilya Kovalchuk. He was on fire the second half of the year.
Oh, yeah, they pushed for that playoff spot.
Oh, yeah. I was sure he was going to make it. All right, next pack. We're still waiting on the autos. Tino, ex-Hab.
Yaroslav Halak.
Tino, you pronounce this guy.
Zbigniew Mihalek.
What a name, Mr. Mahalik. What a name. A beautiful winter classic, the great outdoors. Very nice, and the photography is gorgeous.
Wow.
I'm sure you'll love the player too. Pittsburgh Penguins hit Sidney Crosby, the great outdoors.
Beautiful insert.
Gorgeous photo of Sidney Crosby. Very nice hit for the Penguins. Edmonton Oilers, Alex Hemsky. Tino, Rick Nash.
How do you do?
That was a Columbus base. Next pack. We're still waiting on the autos. Jeff Carter base. Josh Bailey, Islanders. And our first auto rookie ticket. Pretty nice one. Of the New York Rangers. On-card auto, Derek Stepan.
Wow. That's
very nice.
Gorgeous extreme hit right here.
Derek Stepan, rookie ticket auto. Beautiful hit for whoever has the New York Rangers. A great rookie, that's for sure. Teemu Selanne, or should I call him Mr. Bernard Hopkins. Still going in his 40s. That's it. And Tino, time to get serious because it's Captain Serious, Jonathan Taves.
Or, like his mom would like to pronounce it, Jonathan Taves.
Is that so?
Absolutely. French heritage.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Oilers base, Ryan Whitney. Dallas, Steve Ott. We have a leather larceny. Another insert. There's so many inserts in Contenders. Columbus Blue Jackets gets it. Leather larceny of Steve Mason.
So that belongs to our lucky winner.
See, yep. Blues base, Chris Stewart. And Derek Roy, Buffalo Sabres. Next pack. Steve Ott, Dallas. Carolina Hurricanes, Brandon Sutter. We have a draft tandems. Winnipeg Jets, Dallas Stars. Shane Doan, Jerome Iginla. Beautiful card. So who gets it, Tino?
Jerome McGinley is number 12, I believe.
Yeah, he's number 12. On card here, Shane Doan with the
Shane Doan is
Winnipeg
number
Jets,
19.
19. Extreme Rules is simply the player with the higher jersey number receives the card. Therefore, Winnipeg Jets wins
AKA
it,
Phoenix.
which is Phoenix Coyotes. Yeah. All right. So number 19 is higher than number 12. So Phoenix Coyotes get the hit. Very nice draft tandems. The king that lives on Broadway, King Henrik, and a base, Los Angeles, Jonathan Quick. Okay, we still have several packs to go. We're still waiting on possibly 3 more on-card autos. Drew Doughty, Los Angeles. Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. We have a purple parallel of the Edmonton Oilers. Lottery winners, Sam Gagner. And it is numbered 75 of 100. Purple parallel Oilers lottery draft winner, Sam Gagner. It's out of 100. Beautiful hit for whoever has the Oilers. Carolina, Eric Stahl. Hands down playoff MVP, Tino.
Nathan Horton.
You agree?
I would agree so.
Next pack. So far, we got the Derek Stepan on-card auto. What else will we get? Matt Duchene, Colorado Avalanche.
The Duke.
Buffalo Sabres, Ryan Miller. And we have our second rookie ticket auto. This time belonging to the Ottawa Senators, the goalie, Robin Lehner. On-card auto. A decent prospect for Ottawa. Robin Lehner.
Interesting choice of jersey right there.
Yep. Okay, we continue. Henrik Sedin, Vancouver base. Martin St. Louis, Tampa Bay base.
Or like I like to say, Martin Pee-wee St. Louis.
Martin Pee-wee St.
Because of
Louis.
his height.
Next pack. All right. Will he win his first Stanley Cup? Montreal native.
Roberto Luongo.
Alex Steen, St. Louis Blues. You have Pittsburgh. Here comes another one. Awards contenders. The Art Ross Trophy. Who else then? Sid the Kid. Sidney Crosby. Awards contenders. Sidney Crosby. Okay. We continue. Nicholas Backstrom, Capitals. And get jiggy with it. Jean-Sebastien Giguère. Next pack. Captain of the Flyers, Michael Richards. He seems to enjoy the nightlife a little too much. John Tavares, New York Islanders. Mikko Koivu, Wild Base. Patrick Marleau, he was hounded this year in the playoffs, especially by Jeremy Roenick.
Especially.
And Chris Neal, Ottawa Senators base. Next pack. And for the people that are watching on YouTube, this will be the last pack in part 1. For the people on blog, we'll just continue. Nicholas Lidstrom, Detroit base. New Jersey Devils, Zach Parise. Again, whoever has Pittsburgh will be happy with this one. Tino, I'll let you announce it.
Le numéro 66, Mario Lemieux.
Legendary contenders, Mario Lemieux. Gorgeous card. Anze Kopitar, LA base. And Louis Eriksson, Dallas base. So that is part 1.